So we will see guys the menu here. I'll show you. So you will have an idea how much it will be. So if you are planning to come here as a tourist, then this is the cheapest buffet restaurant here near the train station in so like for example, Loni, I'm Monday to Friday lunch. It costs only 10 for Hong Kong, then 3 to 9 years old cost only €10 little cents. For the child that is 3 years old, it's only €5. So for the nighttime, so this one for the adult is 22.80 euro, and for the children ages 3 to 10 years old is worth €12 and 80 cents, and for €5 for the